Hi guys, it's Monique with Oaknard Makes, and I am joining you now, fresh out of the shower. As you can see, it is Friday evening at 7 o'clock, and I just got out of the shower. It was a busy day. So I'm very excited, and I'm here because you guys might remember that I had won Natalie's Closet 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Well, the box is here. So I'm going to open it and show you guys all the goodness. And I will say that I did spray down the boxes. So I don't know about everybody else, but I'm still being very, very cautious. Look at, as I tell you, I'm being cautious as I'm using a rotary cutter to open this box. That's swift, huh? Anyways, how are you guys doing? How's your week been? Is everybody looking forward to the weekend? I know I am. I just put up a video, so I probably won't put this one up until Sunday. I try to give you guys a day or two to get my videos. But look at, I'm already dropping things. Such a dork, Monique. Let me take a peek. I love purple, and I love that she put sparkly purple paper to wrap everything. That's fun. Oh, what a beautiful card, Natalie. This is so pretty. Oh, there was part of this was for me. It was just a private message. I just love Natalie's Closet. I think that's a great channel. If you haven't checked her out, I'll link her channel down below, and you should definitely do that. She's fun. But look at how pretty this card is. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Oh, guys, too, look at my nails. They're so pink and shiny. Okay. Let's see what is in here. Oh. Look at this. It's called Sublime Evie. This is so soft, guys. I can't even tell you. And I think this is this chain spun? I have never used chain spun yarn, but if it is, oh my goodness, it is amazing. And there's a green and another purple. That is so pretty. Look at those colors together. It's a little bit washed out, but not too bad. They're pretty close. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm going to be making something to wear with this. It is so soft, guys. Sublime Yarns Evie. 50 grams. 126 yards per little ball here. And I've never heard of this before, but it's beautiful. Oh, look at this. Lauren Fashion. It's tape yarn. I've never used tape yarn. That's going to be fun. Wow. I bet this would make a really neat, wall. I don't know. I don't know. I just have to look it up. I've never even used it. I've never thought of looking up stuff to do with tape yarn because I've never had any. That's really cool. This is Lauren Fashion. It's 50 grams. It's 251 yards per ball. That's great. What a pretty color, too. Oh, look at this. Wendy Supreme Chunky. This is super pretty, guys. It's really got a pretty sheen. Oh my goodness. It's 90 yards per thing. And it's nice. It's not like squishy soft, but it's soft. And it definitely has a beautiful sheen. Natalie, this is so pretty. I love the color too. It's like an intense raspberry. Love it. That's really fun. Guys. Expression Fiber Arts. Blossom Fingering. I have not had this one. This is 50% viscose bamboo, 30% merino wool, 20% tencel. It's 402 yards per hank, and it is so soft and gorgeous. Sunshine Rays, and there are 2 of them. That is amazing. It looks, okay, so it looks a little bit more gold on my screen than it actually is. I don't know is that going to wash it out? And this is a fingering weight yarn, and Natalie and I both are lovers of fingering weight yarn, so this is great. Natalie, like I said, you're a better woman than I. I don't know that I could part with them. They are lovely. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this sweet bag. Oh, it's got like little leaves on it. Oh my goodness. This is the necklace and bracelet set. It is gorgeous. Oh, by Catherine Noel. Catherine, are you subscribed to my channel? I want to say you are, or maybe I watch you. Do you have a channel? Am I thinking of the wrong person? I don't know, but this is absolutely stunning. Natalie, this is beautiful. I could see why it would be hard to part with that. Oh, all the stitch markers. Look at them. They're all like jewel colored hearts. Oh, they're so pretty. And I love that they're on bronze too. That's different and I like it. I like it a lot. You guys remember that? Everybody remembers that movie. Come on. My cats are named after that movie. I didn't name them after that movie. They were named that at the shelter. And I just kept it because, you know, you can't change an animal's name too many times. And those will definitely be used. Oh, look at it's a little my first enamel pin. I have no enamel pins, guys. And it's a little sheep under an umbrella. Don't look at my face. Look at the pin. There we go. Oh, it is. Come on. I hate you, camera. If there are any of you guys who make, have your own channels or who make videos, what do you use for cameras? Like, what do you use to film with? Let me know. Like, shoot me a comment or an email or something. I'm looking to invest in a better camera, and I'm just not 100% sure what I should go with. Oh, this is pretty. This is this that shashka? This bracelet was hand crocheted bead by a skilled artisan in the Kathmandu Valley of Nepal. Your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade. And there's a sticker and more. Another card. The sticker that go with the bracelet. That is very pretty. And then, oh yeah, this is adorable. Oh, I love it. It has a pocket in the front. You never see this size notebook with a pocket in the front. That is awesome. I know what I'm going to use this for. I'm going to use this for keeping track of my bags that I've made, measurements and such. Oh, and there's tea. Black currant and blackberry. Basilar. I've never seen this, but it looks pretty. Well, it is pretty. The packaging is pretty. I'll have to give it a try. Oh, and Pucka 3 mint. Pucka 3 mint organic peppermint, spearmint, and field mint tea. I might have to fight my daughter for this next time she's here. She loves mint tea. Oh, and then of course, the last of the bling. It's my Natalie's Closet on YouTube bag. Natalie, you're right. This is so blingy. That is fabulous. That is fantastic. I can put all my stuff right in there. Well, this is amazing, Natalie. I love everything. This just couldn't have been a nicer gift package and a lovely card and all the pretty yarns. And I feel very lucky. And I do like it all, Natalie. It's wonderful. Thank you so much. Not only do I get to watch your channel and enjoy your content, but you send me this beautiful thing, this beautiful package of wonderful goodies, and I am in love with everything in there. I can't wait to figure out what I'm going to do with this yarn, this Sublime Evie. I'm pretty sure this is chain spun yarn, and I've been so curious about what it's like to work with chain spun yarn that will be really fun for me. Natalie, thank you so much. I love it all. There was one other quick thing that I wanted to do with you guys, and that was I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek at some of the bags. I've been working on bags. I've been working on sizing and trying to figure out sizing and what size I think is excessive, which ones are too small, all of that. And and trying to figure out how I want to offer them. Do I want zippers, drawstrings, both? How do I want the zippers? So I want to give you a quick sneak peek at some of the things that have been in the works here. And this is all from the same fabric for the most part. I've been methodically making my way. There's plenty of fabric. But so here we have a little, I think it's Area 51. Ooh. This is just a little zip pouch, and I think this is going to be the small size zip pouch. It does have a box bottom, but I think that would be good for like a small skein, 1 or 2 small skeins, and maybe a, you know, like a sock project or a sock size project. So that's one. This is just a little like notions kind of pouch. You could put crochet hooks in it. You could look at more aliens. I loved this alien fabric. I had to get it. And you've got a tab on the end so that you can hold it when you zip. And inside, I'm a lover of zipper tabs, so my stuff I try to do that on. Now this is what I'm thinking might be a larger bag, and I tried a little something different with the zipper in that I left the zipper out at the end, which allows you to open the bag up really wide, like completely opened. So you get the whole opening. It doesn't, you know, it's not pinched on one end. But I don't know that I love how it looks. It'll go in the shop and, you know, somebody might like it. But yeah, Area 51. Ooh. And again, box bottom. So this is another zipper. And I have, I think, 3 size zippers I'm going to look into doing. And then this is a drawstring. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. I had initially intended this to be like a medium-sized bag, but when I calculated out the boxed bottom, I really wasn't paying attention to what was going to happen at the top, and I feel like it's really a large drawstring bag. So I think I'm probably going to list it as a medium large, but I'm thinking it's probably more along the lines of a large. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like, not closed. Here it is with the drawstring. It's got 2 handles, and I'm not sure, I might, you know, I kind of like having the small handle on one side so you can pull through, so you just have one to deal with. But I figured this could, if somebody didn't want to do a drawstring, they could almost use it as a tote bag with 2 handles. So I don't know. I'll have to see what the feedback is like. And then on the inside of these ones, you have pockets that are sectioned off so that you can have, you know, a crochet hook or something, or even maybe knitting needles. But so I feel like this is going to probably be on the medium large to large size drawstring bag. So there's a sneak peek at that. There are, I think, 3 or 4 of these ones are made and ready to go, not necessarily in this fabric. But that's what's been going on here as I experiment with sizing and zippers and drawstrings and maybe even some snaps. So I had hoped to have the bags up in the shop by now, but it's been taking me a little bit longer. I'm having some issues with my knees, and standing for long periods of time to do all the cutting has been a little challenging. So it's taking me longer than I had hoped, but I will be getting these ones listed. And I think what's going to happen is I'm just going to basically say to you guys today, I'm going to list these ones this weekend, and I'll probably say in this video, which will be hopefully released on Sunday, that you can head to the shop anytime. It is open again. It is called Oak Knob Makes, all one word, on Etsy. There is one sew together bag up there already. I will try to put a picture of it somewhere. That one is there. It's already listed. It's ready to go. It's been made. I think I'm going to try to get a couple more sew together bags put together and put up on the shop pretty soon here. And I'm just going to keep on moving on with the zipper pouches. I've got several zipper pouches in progress so that it will be ready for you guys. And I guess I'll just trickle them in as I can, and you guys can go and shop as you want. I will make sure that the link to the Etsy shop is in the description box below, along with Natalie's channel. Check her out if you haven't already. And always on my YouTube banner in the lower right-hand corner is a link to the Etsy shop. So you can always click on that and it will take you right there. So anyways, guys, that is it. I appreciate you stopping in today to see all my goodies from Natalie and to get a little sneak peek at the bags. And of course, if you have, thoughts about handles, do we want two of the same size handle? Do we want one small one on one side that goes through? Do you like the zippers? Do you like the zipper sticking out? So that, any of that kind of feedback, feel free to leave it down below. I'll absorb it and figure out what I can do and what I can't. And I also think that there's going to be some knot bags on the shop for all of you guys as well. I think those are pretty convenient. And for those who had messaged me about having them have very long straps for crossbodies, I will have some crossbody bags at some point, but I'm going to do some more research on those. So anyways, I appreciate all the feedback that you guys have given me so far. Feel free to head on over to the shop. There will be some bags up listed. And thanks for being here with me. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.